Have you ever thought about the power of self-discovery and relaxation? There's a profound strength in understanding who we are at our core, our passions, our fears, and our desires. This journey of self-discovery can be an enlightening and transformative experience. Now let's talk about relaxation. In our fast-paced world, it's often pushed to the back burner. Yet it's essential for our mental, emotional, and physical health. Now, what if we combine these two elements? Imagine embarking on a journey of self-discovery while in a state of absolute relaxation. How, you ask? Through the ritual of a therapeutic bath. Picture yourself immersed in warm water, surrounded by the soothing scent of lavender and the gentle touch of chamomile, both known for their calming properties. This isn't just a bath, it's a sanctuary where you can unwind and explore your inner self. Now, we will guide you on a journey of self-discovery and relaxation with a meditative bath. Begin by drawing your bath. Adjust the temperature to your liking. As the tub fills, consider the addition of lavender and chamomile. These can be introduced either as essential oils or dried herbs, depending on your preference. Lavender, with its soothing scent, is known for its ability to reduce stress and anxiety, while also promoting a restful night's sleep. Chamomile, too, carries similar calming properties, and when used in a bath, it can also act as a gentle skin soother, perfect for those moments when your skin needs a little extra care. As your bath is preparing, consider setting the mood. Dim the lights, maybe light a few candles. Creating a serene atmosphere is an essential part of this journey. The ambiance you create should be one that encourages relaxation and introspection, a space where you can truly unwind and connect with yourself. With your bath prepared, it's time to step in and commence your journey. As you sink into the warm, fragrant water, close your eyes and begin to focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with the tranquil scent of lavender and chamomile. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension from your body. Feel the warmth of the water enveloping you, its gentle touch reminiscent of a comforting embrace. Now clear your mind. Imagine each thought as a bubble, rising from the depths of your mind, floating to the surface and popping, leaving nothing behind. Let the soothing aromas guide you deeper into this state of relaxation. Feel the ebb and flow of your breath, like the gentle waves of a calm sea. This is not just a bath, but a journey to self-discovery. It's a moment of solitude where you can explore your inner world and reconnect with yourself. As you complete your bath meditation, you will find yourself more relaxed and in tune with your inner self. This practice is more than just a bath, it's a journey to your inner self. Begin by preparing your bath with lavender and chamomile, setting the ambiance for relaxation. As you immerse yourself, let your mind wander into a meditative state. This ritual not only promotes skin health and relaxation, but also fosters a deeper connection with your inner being. Embrace this as a regular part of your self-care routine. With regular practice, you'll discover a deeper connection with yourself and a greater sense of peace and relaxation.